Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today, let us discover the taro of Japanese Hiragana. The sounds are tachi tsu te to, tachi tsu te to. So, to begin with, ta, ta, ta. Picture taco, the octopus with many arms, and taiko, the traditional drum that echoes with power. For chi, 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 think of Chikyu, the earth beneath our feet, and Chizu, the map that guides our way. For Tsu, look at Suki, the bright moon in the night sky, and Suma, meaning wife, a word of closeness and respect. Su, Tsu. For Te, we have Tebukuro, warm gloves for the hands, and Teburu, the table where we gather for lunch and dinner. Te, Te. And last but not the least, To, To, To. Imagine Tora, the strong tiger, and Tori, the bird flying freely in the sky. We have now learned the taro of Hiragana. Tachi tsu te to, tachi tsu te to, tachi tsu te to. Practice them often and step by step the Hiragana chart will become your friend. Thank you for learning with me today. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep smiling and keep learning Japanese. Sayonara. Goodbye.